How to fix Slack cannot set reminder. To fix the Slack cannot set reminder issue, first of all, you simply have to verify your slash command syntax or clear the application cache to unstick the formatting engine. So what you can do is launch the Slack application on your device, open any of the conversation thread or channel, then tap on this message box on the bottom, tap on this slash option and you'll find the remind option over here. Now you simply have to go ahead and tap on this. From here you can type what and when. Then tap on this paper plane icon to send it to the conversation. And you can set your date over here and timings over here. You can also fill out the descriptions. Once you do this, you simply have to go ahead and then tap save on the top right. And there you go. Or what you can also do is simply hit backwards and open your device's app gallery and locate the Slack application icon, long press it, then tap the I option to access the app info panel, head to storage and cache and proceed to clear the cache and reload it and your problem should be fixed.